In today's video, we will talk about a whale having 100% win rate. We will talk about crypto. The whales are accumulating and selling right now. Also, we will talk about the whales who have made some good profits. Do not skip, as you might miss some important information I have posted in this video. Make sure to watch till the end. Whales have shown significant interest in purchasing ARB. Recently, a whale with this address spent 200 ETH, equivalent to 375K, to buy 321,934 ARB tokens at a price of 1.16. Previously, he spent 300 ETH, equivalent to 525K, to acquire 538,558 ARB tokens at a price of 0.98 on June 10th. Additionally, another whale made a substantial investment by purchasing 937,176 ARB tokens at 1.13, using 1,058,665 USDC. Also, two inactive whales suddenly becomes active and starts acquiring ARB. One such whale, with this address, re-emerged from a 1.6-year period of inactivity and withdrew 450,881 ARB, equivalent to 504K, from Binance on June 25th. Similarly, another whale with this address spent 939 ETH, equivalent to 1.68 million, to acquire 1.57 million ARB tokens at 1.07 on June 20th. Blur price skyrockets 27% following Upbit listing news. Wintermute Trading, a major market maker, receives 10 million Blur, equivalent to 4.2 million, from Coinbase custody and deposits it to Kraken. Another 2.1 million Blur, equivalent to 895K, is deposited to Coinbase after the surge. A whale with this address pulled out 1.93 trillion Pepe, equivalent to 3 million, from Binance. He sold 97,735 Link, equivalent to 592K, and 9,883 BNB, equivalent to 3 million, incurring a loss of around 342K. However, he decided to switch their entire portfolio, acquiring 1.93 trillion Pepe, equivalent to 3.03 million, and 227 ETH, equivalent to 424K. A smart whale with this address deposits 25K ETH, equivalent to 47 million, to Binance, withdrawing 15.9 million USDT. This whale excels at buying low and selling high, boasting a 100% win rate trading ETH in the past 2 months. FloringLab.eth was airdropped 15 elemental beans and mints 21 more with 42 ETH. He sold all 36 beans for 65.9 ETH at an average price of 1.83 ETH. Additionally, he purchases 75 Azuki for 820 ETH, equivalent to 1.52 million, at an average price of 10.93 ETH.